This video footage is shared by a resident of Content, Manchester. After Hurricane Melissa, particularly a section in Content, Manchester, where rising underground water flooded homes and made the main road impassable. The flood was caused by heavy rains from the hurricane, which has caused a state of emergency and significant damage across the island. So what we are seeing down below now is the main road, and in the middle is homes that are covered by water. Some partially covered, while others you can only just see the roof. It is reported that some residents are fearful because the water has been rising since Monday. As a result, some residents had to evacuate their homes, I should say, because of the rising water, the uncertainty of things. Right here down below is presently workmen are on ground or on site trying to dig a drain to drain some of the water. So earlier on you saw like a clearing. That is where the workman, they are digging the drain. So if the water should rise again or continue to rise, then the water would have somewhere to drain. Hindalco, the old bauxite site. Therefore, you know then that persons are worried of the possible disease outbreak. Persons are worried if their homes will be damaged, if their homes will be one of those that is covered. These videos being circulated online, or that are being circulating online, show how devastating the storm really was. As we watch these videos, let us continue to keep Jamaica in our prayers. Let us continue to keep the residents of Content Manchester in our prayers. This is Kitania reporting from Journey.